Alright guys, so I'm doing a used car inspection in this vehicle, but somehow the battery died and this lift gate doesn't want to open anymore. Yep, it doesn't want to open. And there is a button right here. It's on, right? Still doesn't want to do it. Maybe if I jump in, oops, start the engine, press this one, still nothing. It's not doing it. Shut it off. Press and hold this button. Still not doing it right. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is open the hood. I'm gonna go ahead, disconnect these two battery terminals, let it sit for a few minutes, and let's see what happens. Alright guys, so I'm gonna disconnect the negative battery cable, and look how much corrosion I have here. The positive one. Just gonna go clean both terminals. There we go. Got this tool right here. Alright, so I'm just gonna let it sit for about maybe a minute or two. Alright guys, so I think it's at about 2 minutes. Just gonna go ahead and install the capacitive cable first. There's more there. And a negative. Okay guys, so both terminals are clean and they're all in. See? Oh, will you look at that? Pretty cool. There you go guys. Thank you for watching.